Let's see how to print preview in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to take a look at our document before we actually print it. So what we can do is first click on the File tab. And from here, click on Print. And this window, this large window right here, should show your document and preview it as it is. Now let's say that let's go ahead and add more paragraphs. And let's go back to our print preview. And as you can see, we can scroll it page per page, and we should be able to see the contents of each page completely in this preview right here. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.